card in the tarot deck symbolizes both intuition and deception. It's one of the most mysterious cards in the deck, and understanding it could completely change your approach to life's uncertainties. Hi, I'm Jill Hart, the Coach's Alchemist, and today we are diving deep into the Moon Tarot card. This card is all about the power of intuition, hidden truths, and navigating through uncertainty. It's often associated with confusion, fear, and uncertainty, basically, the feeling of not knowing what's going on around you. But here's the thing, that fear often stems from a misunderstanding. The Moon card doesn't always represent something negative. It's more about uncovering what's hidden and tapping into your deeper intuition. The Moon card represents your subconscious mind, the realm of dreams and intuition and hidden truths. So when this card shows up in a reading, it's asking you to trust your instincts, even when things feel unclear or uncertain. It's linked to times when you might be second guessing yourself, feeling uncertain about what's real and what's an illusion. For example, maybe you're making a big decision and the Moon card appears. It's a sign to go within and trust your gut rather than the outside influences. And here's a powerful insight about the Moon card. While it does encourage us to face our fears, it's a reminder that growth comes from navigating the unknown. Embracing uncertainty allows you to discover hidden parts of yourself that come out stronger. It's about realizing that not everything is meant to be clear all the time. Sometimes the journey through the dark leads to the brightest light. So the Moon card symbolizes both illumination and confusion. It's not just about fear or deception. It's also about trusting your intuition and uncovering the truth that's laying just below the surface. Have you ever drawn a Moon card in a tarot reading? Share your experience in the comments. And if you're curious about what other tarot cards mean, be sure to check out my video on the High Priestess. We'll see you there.